Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare YouTube TV USA and Germany. YouTube TV in the USA offers a full-featured live TV streaming service with 100 plus channels, including sports, news, and entertainment networks like ESPN, BBC, CBS, and Fox. It also includes unlimited DVR storage, multiple user profiles, and integration with major streaming devices. However, it's only available within the US and requires a paid subscription. In Germany, YouTube TV is not officially available. Instead, viewers rely on